On its North American breeding range, the common nighthawk executes amazing aerial antics. The display includes syncopated wing strokes, nasal buzzy peents, and at the bottom of its swoop, a flatulent flutter of wing feathers called a boom. The sound coincides with what must be a 10G pullout from a steep dive. The nighthawk has made peace with humans, nests on graveled rooftops, hawks moths in the lights of night ball games. Still, it is an occasional bird of specialized habitats, camouflaged to perfection, mostly nocturnal, silent outside its nuptials. The solitary aerobatics of April counterpoint the massive migration flights of September. These nighthawks crossed the Shenandoah Valley for South America. They'll overfly the Amazon for the open lands of Paraguay and Argentina. For the alert observer, the swirling masses on migration are a treat, silent now and erratic, but always lurching on spastic wing strokes. It's a lot to ask of a tiny handheld screen, but if we slow the action and boost the contrast, we see these aerial sharks in a sea of flying insects, raising far more questions than they answer. What are the insects? How did the nighthawks find them? Is it their plan to drift and swirl with this swarm until darkness, then set a direct course for the Yucatan or the Antilles? Will they find other clouds of calories over the Caribbean and orbit there to refuel? Science says they cover 10,000 kilometers on migration, but is their journey really an order of magnitude greater? The eye of the cyclone moves directly, but the edges spin a measureless pinwheel.